Hi guys, this is a February 2016 Holden Commodore SV6 VF Series 2 sedan. So it looks good. It's got your Series 2 front end. It's $29,990. It's got your LED daytime running lights. Car's like brand new. Got your Series 2 SV6/SS alloy wheels, your chrome fender vents. It looks good in silver. Proximity keys. It was built on the 15th of February 2016. So the trim. Decent sized glove box. Your leather trim here. Overhead console. Your carbon fibre spears. And door pockets as well. Move that seat forward a bit. I can't do it one-handed, so I'll go around the other side. So, it's got your tail lights, your Series 2 badge, Holden badge and the SV6 badge. Moving into the boot. Holden rubber mat, and you've got 495 litres of boot space in there. It's got your dual exhaust outlets, as you can see. Good look at it from this angle. That's it, as you can see. I'll show you the engine now. Here is the engine. So it's a 3.6 litre V6 engine that cranks out 210 kilowatts of power and 350 newton meters of torque. It's a 3.6 litre Alloy Tech V6, as you can see. So it's got your Bridgestone tyres, which have stacks of tread left in them. Car hasn't been lowered. So there's a cool feature I want to show you. It's called remote engine start. So how that works is you press the lock button twice, hold that button in, and it starts up. So you unlock it now. Then you climb in, put the key here, then you put your foot on the brake, press the engine start stop button, and it's running. Just turn that aircon down. So, it's got your electric power steering. It's a tiny little bit vague. So it's telling me to put my seat belts on. It's got your electric windows, your electric mirrors and your blind spot alerts as well. It's got your automatic headlights, but no auto wipers. Here's your service sticker. So electric windows, electric mirrors, central locking as well. Got your voice control, which I'll get to in a minute. Cruise control. you can set it. So, car's done 65,166 kilometers. Average speed. It says navigation, but this car isn't equipped with sat nav. So,
Osprey, so they're still not ready to get.
indicators. So it's got your tilt and telescopic steering wheel. So there's the engine start stop button. So now to the infotainment system. It is equipped with sat nav. Surprise! That was only on the black edition and the 2017 model before Holden stopped making cars in Australia. They've shut down completely now, so there's no more Holdens. If you want a Holden, then you better be quick, because this one won't last long. Trust me, it won't. So you better be quick if you want this car. So, you can go address entry, previous destinations. It'll take you to a certain place.
The route has been calculated. Please follow the highlighted route to your destination.
So you can cancel the route.
Please say a command.
Please cancel route.
Pardon?
Please cancel route.
Did you say ring #40 goodbye?
No, voice control never works for me. Might for other people, but it doesn't for me. So,
the route has been calculated. Please follow the highlighted route to your destination.
it's good infotainment system. Pandora, which is no longer available in Australia, and Stitcher. So not good audio today, unfortunately. USB, which plugs into here. You also have a key charger too. So in case of a flat battery, you can put your key in here and it'll charge for you. And 12-volt sockets as well. It's got 2 decent sized cup holders, traction control, which you can turn off, but I wouldn't in a SV6 Commodore. Car parks itself and you can turn your rear sensors off. It's got your black spears as well. Quick info. Tone. Config and now playing, and it's got Bluetooth audio streaming as well. It's 28 degrees outside. So, wipers. So, you can see. Smells nice in here too. Wish our April 2015 Black Series 1 SV6 smelled like this. But it doesn't. One day if there's a way you can make it smell like this car, I wonder. It's got your dual zone electronic climate control. So my passenger is on 16 and I'm on low. Air conditioning. Direction of air as well. 12-volt socket here. 6-speed automatic transmission, but it doesn't have paddle shifters, which the old VZ Commodore SV6 did. Wonder why the VF didn't. It's much younger than the VZ Commodore. So it's got your white stitching, your tinted windows. You can also open the boots from here as well. So you call this colour nitrate silver, 4-way electric driver's seat. So this is Jordan's car reviews, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap the notification bell, and please also like and share the video, and goodbye.